Australia is a birdwatcher's paradise, home to over 800 different species of birds. From the iconic kookaburra's cheerful laugh to the vibrantly colored rainbow lorikeets, Australia's avian diversity is truly captivating. The country's unique landscapes offer varied habitats for birds, such as the charismatic emu in the outback and the majestic sea eagles along the coast. With so many bird species to admire, from tiny fairy wrens to powerful wedge-tailed eagles, exploring Australia's skies is a fascinating adventure for nature enthusiasts. Whether in urban settings or the wilderness, the melodic songs and striking plumage of Australia's birds never fail to inspire awe and wonder.